Welcome to CommBox. In this video, we will learn how to set a business hours profile, configure automatic messages to be sent outside business hours, and send automatic messages on special days. Let's understand why it's important to set business hours. Our business hours module, also known as working hours, allows you to define operating hours for different channels and manage them from one central location in the CommBox platform. When the business is closed, our system enables you to set an automatic message to inform your customers when service will resume or offer alternatives for immediate service. Let's see how to set up a business hours profile. Click on Settings and select Business Hours. To create a new business hours profile, click on Business Hours Channel. Give the channel a name and select the team that owns it, such as Tech Support. Then click on Create Channel. Now let's look at the profile settings you created. Click on Business Hours. Set the appropriate business hours, start time and end time. Then, activate the days by clicking on the gray buttons on the right side. In Auto Messages, choose whether to send the customer out of business hours message. Set how often the message should be sent according to the customer's response. Then, write the message. You can write the auto message that will be sent to customers when the business hours are off. This message will be displayed across all channels. While a rich text message can be displayed only on channels that support rich text, email and chat channels only. Now, let's look at setting up special days. Special days are days outside the regular working days, such as holidays, election days, and so on, when the communication channel will be closed and not open for service. It's important to plan special days in advance and define them in the system. For each special day, it is recommended to set a unique automatic message. To add a special day, click on New. Select whether a single day or a range of dates is required. Define whether to send a message to customers outside business hours. Then, define the message frequency and create a message that will appear in all channels, or use rich text to display a message in chat and email channels only. Finally, click Save and click Save again. Please note, for business hours to be activated, you need to go to the specific communication channel and select the business hours profile you defined in advance. Let's see an example. Click on Settings. Select the email channel and one of the active channels. Click on Business Hours. Then, select the linked business hours profile from the list. Working Hours, Tech Support. Finally, click Save. In summary, we learned how to set a business hours profile, configure automatic messages to be sent outside business hours, and send automatic messages on special days. Please proceed to the next video to learn more about our system. The CommBox team will be happy to assist you with any questions here in the portal or on our website.